The value of a Mistplay referral bonus is not fixed. The reward can change based on active promotions, your region, and the offer currently shown inside your account, so there isn't one permanent bonus amount that every user receives. By the end of this video, you'll know how Mistplay referrals work, when a bonus is awarded, and how to check the actual reward available to you. Here's how the referral system works. Inside the Mistplay app, you'll find a referral section where you can generate your personal invitation link or referral code. When someone signs up using your referral and completes the required eligibility steps, both of you may qualify for a referral reward if the current promotion allows it. The key point is that the required steps matter. Simply installing the app through your link is usually not enough. The new user typically needs to meet the conditions listed in the referral offer before either account becomes eligible for the bonus. Those requirements can change, so always read the terms attached to the promotion instead of relying on screenshots from older videos. Now, let's answer the biggest question. How much do you actually get? The honest answer is that the amount depends on the promotion available in your account. Mistplay does not publish one permanent referral bonus that applies to every user worldwide. If someone claims every referral always pays the same amount, that information may be outdated or only accurate for a specific promotion or country. The fastest way to see your current referral reward is to open the Refer Friends section inside the app. The offer displayed there is the one that applies to your account at that moment. If your referral reward doesn't appear after someone joins, verify that they used your referral link during sign-up and completed every required step. Then check whether the promotion is still active and review any waiting period described in the referral terms. If everything looks correct but the reward is still missing, gather screenshots and contact Mistplay support with both accounts' details. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay referral bonuses are promotional offers, not permanent fixed amounts. The reward depends on your account and current promotion, and both users usually need to complete the required eligibility steps before a bonus is awarded. Always check the referral page in your app for the most accurate information. If this explanation helped you understand how Mistplay referrals actually work, subscribe for more Mistplay guides, troubleshooting tips, and reward app comparisons.